Hola, guten Tag, bonjour, hello. Just a little test of, well, let's have a look here. Tornado Firecrackers, and these are by Panda Fireworks. Oh, how cute. Look at that little rip-off of Mickey Mouse in panda form. How gorgeous. So these are 100 pieces. I got these a little bit apparently overpriced at $6 for 200, as it was buy one get one free. Yeah, and they're basically little firecrackers, little tiny firecrackers in fact, and that is the firecracker itself. They're a lot smaller than AAA batteries, and this is just a little test of them because, yeah, why not? It's all good. So let's give the little babies a whirl. I'll just move the box out of the way because, yeah, that's all I need to do is set the whole box on fire. That'd be pretty stupid. Anyway, yeah. Panda Fireworks Tornado Firecrackers. So let's throw a few of these around and see what they do. They're pretty loud actually. I mean, geez. If you're over 30, you probably remember being able to get bangers, as we call them in England, and you can't get them anymore because where? And we'll do a couple at the same time if I can, and I'll try not to blow my damn fingers off, because that also would be pretty stupid. You know what? No, I'm not going to do two at the same time. That would be pretty stupid. I'll just set the grass on fire, shall I? Yeah. Dumbass. Yeah, that's another little point there. If you're setting off fireworks and it happens to be dry, don't set the grass on fire, as I just did. Just a little afterthought there. And we'll do one more open air. In actual fact, we'll do a couple more so that we can see them actually in action. So let's get you going here. And this is going to be loads. Jesus. And one more just for the hell of it. And we will do one in a glass bottle just to see what happens. So you'll balance it on the top like that, and get the little baby lit, knock her into the bottle, and that's my little childish video for today.